Good morning, kindergartners. Today you are going to be continuing your zoo animal research project. And to do that, when you get to your computer spots, you're going to go to the elementary library home just like you always do. Remember, it looks like the beach ball that starts with the letter E. You're going to double click that. When you get here, on this very first page, instead of clicking on the kindergarten button like we normally do, I want you to instead, in the second row of this symbol, and the second one from the right, this one that has the little red oval that says PebbleGo, you're going to click on that icon and it's going to take you to our PebbleGo. And you guys have been in here before, but this is just to remind you how to get in. Over here where we have two boxes on the board by the computer, when you get there, if you need help, remember our username is MPEL. And I type that again in the second box, MPEL. The second box is going to just show the dots, but both boxes are the same thing, and then I click the yellow Go button. Once I'm here, because we are looking for zoo animals, I'm going to click on the Animals category. And then for most of you, your animal is probably going to be in this Mammals section. If you have the penguin, it's going to be in the bird section. But for now, we are just going to click on I'll show you where you're going to go in the mammals section. So once I get into mammals, there's a few different categories. Some of you may be in wildcats if you have the lion or the tiger. Some of you may be in primates if you have the monkey. Some of you may be in grassland animals if you have the zebra or the giraffe or the elephant. So I'm going to just start here. I'm going to click on zebra. And again, remember, these are the tabs that we're going to go through to listen to facts about our animal when we're doing our research. So you are going to click down on, do you see the pink crayon? You're going to click on the pink crayon, and it brings up two little yellow buttons. I want you to click on the top yellow button in this activity page. It's going to bring up a little white page like this, and it's going to ask you to print it. We want to print our white page. So if I kind of hover my mouse over the bottom of my screen, do you see how I get these little buttons over here? I want you to click on the printer button. It looks just like this one. It's kind of a white rectangle with a piece of paper with lines coming out of it. If I click that button, I'm going to then click on the blue print button. So find your blue print button and click that. And that will print my little paper so that I can find it on the printer. And Miss Hubbard and Miss Gorder will help you find those off of the printer now. Once you have your printout from the printer with your animal, you are going to go to your computer, and each of these little tabs at the top is going to match one of your words on your paper. So you're going to go to your tabs and you're going to listen. You're going to click on the little speaker icon and listen to what it says. When you get done listening, you may listen more than one time, but you need to write down something that you learned from each one of those tabs on your paper. So you're going to match on the body line, you're going to write something about what the body of your animal looks like. And again, make sure you listen to it more than once if you need to. So go ahead. You may not get through all of it today. I don't expect you to get through all of it. So just do maybe one or two of your lines on your paper, and then make sure your name is on the paper at the top so that when you hand them in, we know whose is whose for next week. Good luck.